So here's how to take burst shot photos on your iPhone 15. Now I'm using the 15 Pro Max, but this works on all the iPhone 15 models. So just launch the camera and then press and hold the volume up button. Okay, so you can see the camera launched. Press and hold the volume up, and as you can see, that takes the burst mode photos, which you can then look at. Tap on select and you can see the different photos in burst mode. When you see one that you like, you can keep it and delete the rest. Okay, now before you can use the volume up button, you have to make sure you enable it in the settings. So on the settings page, go to camera, and then under camera, enable use volume up for burst. Okay, so you can see it's enabled, and that's why I was able to do it. If it's disabled, then you'll not be able to take burst photos with the volume up button. Okay, so just make sure that is enabled. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.